Here at Ocean Controls, we are the Australian distributor of FEMA products. In this video, I'll introduce their i4 series signal converters and isolators. FEMA have produced a smart line of products capable of converting almost any electrical signal into either 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliamp process outputs. This makes interfacing niche or abstract signals from your sensors into a PLC or I/O module seamless. From temperature probes, load cells, and frequency inputs, all the way up to 0 to 600 volts AC, FEMA and Ocean Controls have you covered. All of this comes in a reliable, accurate, and convenient DIN rail package. Starting with the i4E, it is a configurable output to be either 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliamps. You can program the unit to accept a wide range of input signals. Input signals will accept a voltage such as 0 to 50 millivolts up to 600 volts. It will also accept a current signal from 0 to 5 milliamp all the way up to 0 to 5 amps. On top of this, it's capable of measuring power line frequencies up to 100 Hertz. The real spotlight of this device is you can scale the input range to be anything in between. Say you want to measure a range of 30 to 48 volts, you can custom program the high and low points anywhere within the 0 to 600 volt range. Moving on to the i4F. This unit is designed specifically to convert frequency signals, such as RPM, flow rates, encoders, etc. It can take anywhere from 1 Hertz all the way up to 1 megahertz. Not only that, it will accept NPN, PNP, pickup, mechanical read signals, and more. As per the i4E, you can program it to accept a signal anywhere within the range of 1 to 1 megahertz. Finally, we have the i4P and the i4L. The i4L is designed to accept load cells, up to 4 concurrently with a 4 or 6 wire configuration. It will allow almost any load cells with excitations from 0 to 5 millivolts per volt all the way up to 0 to 80 millivolts per volt. The i4P is designed specifically for temperature measurement. It will accept thermocouples, PT sensors like PT100s, NTC sensors, and potentiometers as well. These items are incredibly robust and boast of very fine accuracy requirements within the range of decimal percentages.
Here I have configured an i4E and an i4F. The i4E, as previously stated, can take anywhere from 0 to 600 volts DC or AC. For the purpose of this video, I've configured this one using the buttons on the front to take a 5 volt to 30 volt signal, and it will output 4 to 20 milliamps. It's being powered by this supply here on 24 volts DC. I have my voltage signal coming from this supply, which will be 5 to 30, and my 4 to 20 milliamps is being read on this multimeter. So my signal at 5 volts will output 4 milliamps, and as I increase the signal, we scale all the way to 20 milliamps at 30 volts. As previously stated, you can set this to anywhere in the range of 0 to 600. Finally, the i4F has been configured to accept a 0 to 1 kilohertz signal. I'm generating that from this generator here. We're starting at 0 kilohertz, and you can see close to 0 volts DC on the multimeter. As I ramp the signal up, we're currently at 0.21 kilohertz, and we see a very accurate 2.1 volts. We can go all the way up to 1 kilohertz. Where we see a clean 10 volt signal on the output from our i4F.